Yeah, I really like taking time off the tack time. It's sort of like a competition with myself. I'm a creative person, so I love being on the design side of things, but when I do get to manufacture, keeping my mind going with all the different ways that I can improve the line actually makes it a lot more exciting. A big improvement comes in 2-second increment. Eventually you get minutes off of your tack time. A one-piece flow from start to finish, raw materials to boxing it up and shipping it out. With us, we can look to the next department over, walk over there and ask them to make the change, and so all of that happens relatively quickly. We're really pushing for American jobs and that insurance that we know every employee is treated with the same kind of dignity and respect that we have come to expect here in the US. And since I'm a student, I get to pay my way through college because of this job. So being that Trayvax is a US company directly benefits myself in being able to go to college and pay for that on my own dime. And it's just been a huge influence for me to be able to watch how Mark started this company out of his apartment, and something that I can look to and say, like, maybe that'll be me. I'm just stoked about getting into new products. So keep an eye out on Trayvax. We are hopefully going to be breaking into new spaces and producing new products in the future. I'm Jono, and this is my Trayvax team story.